what's obia opia na oka wasam.
Yeah.
Obia opia wasam na say wasam ho na otum oyi child that oh Charlie them way yeah is man check cry. I would like to extend an official formal apology to my very own phlow addicts, TeePhlow worldwide.
I say, and you there, the phlow addicts, and they have every right to be mad at you, right?
Yeah, and I appreciate the direct and frustration and one thing you know that obia was obia opia wasam na oka wasam.
Yeah.
Obia opia wasam na say wasam ho na otum oyi child that oh Charlie them way yeah is man check cry.
Yeah.
Into phlow addicts and they have every right to be mad at me because they've held it down from next big thing time to this point.
Yeah.
And you know, even though one be from their direction, when you full picture no, in terms of the why they don't understand the full why as
Yeah.
and even though want a full why and as still they have every right because so be or hold down no expect that you'll be successful. They want to give their everything into it. They expect that whether it's going here or here, they expect that you still keep going. You know, for me personally, that is one of the few things I've learned over the years there, Charlie. More TBR, no. More TBR, you have to keep going. Until I would like to extend an official formal apology to my very own phlow addicts, TeePhlow worldwide, wherever you dare, where you they listen to this. This is me extending that heartfelt apology for all the days, all the months, all the years that I've been missing in the game where you felt like, Charlie TeePhlow was here these Totofifi rappers were along. So Charlie, I appreciate your patience, but most importantly, I thank them while I say, as I pull up again, they are still welcoming me with, arms wide open. So God bless you, TeePhlow. God bless you, phlow addicts. Yanko.
Nice one.